Imagine if you could get a product from Temu for $6 and sell on Jumia, Jiji, and Konga for $34. No. It never clear. We won't be selling on Jumia, Jiji, or Konga. It never still clear, Abi? Okay. Let me make it clear to you. What I'm about to share with you today is total gold. And no, I'm not being dramatic. This is the kind of information that you won't find just floating around on the internet. It's the kind of insider stuff that people like keeping to themselves. But not me. I'm here to spill the tea and show you how you can turn insider opportunities to pure gold. I'm speaking of cold hard cash. Sound good, right? Well, if you are excited just like I'm excited right now, ensure you hit that like button and smash the subscribe button. And let's dive into it. So this is what happened. I was scrolling through some e-commerce website the other day, including Etsy, Jumia, Jiji, and Konga, you know. So something caught my eye. It wasn't just any product. It was a unique iced coffee candle. Cute, right? But what really blew my mind was the numbers. This seller you are seeing had made over $26,000 in just 3 months of selling here. Let me break that down for you. That's about $8,000 a month, all from this one little item. As a Naija boy where I be now, you know what's up. My adventurous money making skills started popping in left, right, middle, and center. The thing just they give me a headache like say kilo dinner. So naturally, I started doing some digging. I hopped over to this little known platform called Temu. I believe you've been seeing it on your screen whenever you log into Facebook or you're playing a game on your phone. So while digging through the platforms, I found a similar iced coffee candle. And guess how much I found it? $6. Something that someone else was selling $34 on Etsy. And that's exactly where I realized something very, very intriguing. People are quietly buying products for cheap, flipping them online and making bank. And here is the kicker. It's not just candles. There are so many products out there that you can source for a fraction of the price, sell online, and create a whole new income stream. And I'm going to walk you through exactly how to get it done, step by step. So stick around because I have a list of hot selling products that are crushing it right now, tips on where to source for them, and how to sell them effectively without any issue. Meanwhile, you are going to want to pay close attention to everything I'll be saying in this video. That's if you are really serious about making money this new year, because it's a total game changer. But before we move on, just do me a favor by tapping that like button, smashing that subscribe button, and make sure you ring that notification bell to ensure you stay updated for my next blockbuster. And what are you waiting for? You can even share this to your loved ones to help them this new year. No be every time people go come they beg you for money. This is one of the things you need to dish out to people so that they can also start making money. You know what I'm talking about. I believe you have done that because I trust you. So thank you. I won't let you down. So far, I've shown you one product that people are buying on Temu and reselling on Etsy. But did you know you can also sell pre-made candle or candle making kit from Temu? A quick search for candle kits brings options like soy wax kit with pouring pots, electric stove, wax, and wicks. With all this, even bait and body soap better watch out because they are about to dominate the market. Temu also offer wholesale products like mason jars, that's for pouring candles anyway, and unique candle molds, also for creating shapes. I know you may be wondering like, why is this guy recommending candles for us? Well, Christmas just passed by now and Easter is fast approaching. Valentine too will be on us soon. So these are kind of season that people use candle to decorate their environment, to celebrate the special days. And I just don't know why candle is selling very, very fast on Etsy. Now let me bust your bubble. If you are into DIY, that's you like doing things yourself, Temu also sells kits to create custom ornaments like Scrabble tile ornaments with personalized names. These have made over $155,000 on Etsy alone. Now imagine selling that same thing on TikTok Live, where people pay you to create them while they watch. People love interactive shopping experiences. So this is a great strategy to try out. Now before diving into the remaining product list, let's talk about where to sell these items. Etsy is a fantastic platform, we know that, and I've created a well-detailed guide to ensure you open your first shop. I'll be dropping the guide right in my WhatsApp and Telegram channel, so ensure you check it out and ensure you join the channel to enjoy more freebies like this. However, while Etsy is great, you should also consider creating your own website, and here is why. Etsy takes percentages of your earnings, but with your own site, you keep more profit and more control. In addition, your website allows you to tap into to Google search engine, which processes over 8 billion searches daily. Millions are searching for gift ideas right now. Now, if building a website seems too intimidating, you can hire the service of freelancers like me. I'll be putting a link in the description for those that would like to hire my service to build their own website for them. But if you are determined to do the job yourself, then I'm open to guide you for free right in this video. We'll be using Hostinger. Hostinger makes it easy with a pre-built website template. I've also included a link in the description to get you started with an exclusive sale. For the best deal, choose their 48-month plan to save the most and get 3 free months plus a free domain. Use the link in the description for an extra 10% off. Once you've signed up, follow the simple setup prompts to create your online store. You can add products, set prices, and even use AI tools to write product description. For instance, let's say you are adding the wooden money order ornament. Just upload the image, describe the product briefly, and let the AI generate a description. Add your price based on what similar items are selling for on Etsy and hit the publish button. Repeat for as many products as you can. Make sure your website is set up to accept payments. Under WooCommerce settings, enable Woo payments to accept all major payment methods. You can also customize your website to match your branding by editing colors, fonts, and content through the dashboard. If you need help, AI tools like ChatGPT are great for creating SEO-friendly content. Now back to the list. Planners are another hot items, especially during festive seasons. Yearly planner, budgeting planners, and saving planners are all high in demand. And beyond planners, Temu offers many other products to resell like alarm cloth, jewelry kits, pet accessories, home decor, tote bags, and even eyelashes. These items are trending on platforms like TikTok and Amazon, offering endless opportunities. The key takeaway here right now is that selling online is your best friend. Embrace it. And success isn't just about what you sell, it is about how you sell it. I'm currently working on a list of free marketing resources that will help you excel in your business. So don't forget to subscribe to this channel to stay updated for the day I'll be releasing them. In the meantime, me and my team just discovered 3 secretive and low competitive ways that people are making money on Amazon. This should be a secret between me and you to maintain the competition rate. So I beg, never release them to others. Anyway, just check out the video that appeared next to me right now and explore these rare opportunities. Whatever you do, never stop making money.